Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to see how an IR sensor works with Arduino. IR sensors are used for detecting objects, distance or even motion, and they are super common in robots and security systems. I'll show you how to connect it with Arduino and test it with a simple LED example.
So I am going to tell you the things that you want. First, this is the Arduino board you want, and then you want three jumper wires, the from male to female wires, three jumper wires. Then you want Arduino connector, USB to Type D connector, and then you want one IR sensor, and then you want one LED. Now I am going to show you the connections that you want. First take your IR sensors and then connect the female port to male port. All three connect it as you want. This. Then you are able to see that this is the VCC, this is the GND and this is the out. Okay. So we have the wires. Now you can see the VCC. This is this brown wire. So you have to connect the VCC brown wire 5-volt port. Okay, this, and then you can see the GND. Okay, this GND has the red wire. Okay, so we have to connect the red wire to the GND. Okay, below the 5-volt. This. So you can see these two connections. Now remaining the Vout one, this is the blue wire, so you have to connect the Vout port to the pin number 3. Okay, pin number 3. Now it is connected, and you have to connect the remaining the LED one. Okay, so you have to connect the LED to the ground port and pin number 13. This. So you can see all the connections. I am going to show you once again. The out, GND, VCC. There are three colors wires. You can see this. So the output pin is connected to the pin number 3. This, and the VCC and GND is connected to the 5-volt and GND. You can see this. Now let's go to the coding part, and you can see also the LED is connected to pin number 13. Now connect the type D port to this USB cable connector and then connect it to your laptop. Okay, this. Now you can see the writes start. So let's move to the coding part.
now just come to my GitHub repository and then copy the code. The GitHub repository link I have given below in the description. Then just paste the code here in your Arduino IDE. Okay, you can see, and then you have to click on this right button, compiling sketch. Okay, done compiling. Then you have to click on this arrow button. It will upload your code in the Arduino. Then click on it, then it will upload your code. Then you can see here done uploading. Okay, so your code has been uploaded in your Arduino. Now let's see the working of Arduino.
So now you can see this is our IR sensor. All the system is connected. Now when I keep my hand close to it, it will detect my hand and start blinking. When I move it away, it will stop blinking. So it will detect infrared rays sensors. Okay, so you can see it's working. I am using my hand as object. You can also see it will work with any object. When I keep the pencil close, it will start blinking. Just see it. When I keeping my thumb on it, it will start blinking, and when I removing my thumb from it, it will stop blinking. So our project is done. See you soon.